For today's jaunt on my little protein-packed journey, I have StarKist buffalo chicken creations. And I decided I'm gonna go ahead and make a buffalo chicken soft taco with it. Now, I've tried StarKist buffalo tuna, which left me very unimpressed. You can see that video here. So let's see how the chicken one is. This has more of that buffalo bite. Way more than the tuna. This one's actually pretty impressive. Is it scorching hot? No. But it does have a nice little kick to it. So I've got my warm tortilla and of course, buffalo chicken. What else? Blue cheese. So we're gonna do a real thin layer of this. And then this buffalo chicken. This one's pretty wet. So if whatever you decide to make with it has a sauce, make sure it's not a very wet sauce. Cause yeah, this one's pretty juicy. And of course, what's buffalo chicken, with the blue cheese if you don't also have the celery? And then because I like the flavor, I'm also adding some red onion. Super quick soft taco for a nice lunch or light supper. So now let's see how my plan worked here. That buffalo still comes through, everything that I added onto this. And you can throw in cheese or whatever else you want. For more ideas of what you can do with all these various packets, I made an entire freebie of every brand and every flavor. Link for that is down in the description. For more of this protein-packed journey, check out this playlist. And remember, cook for one, have some fun, waste none, and I'll see you in the next one.